Hi, my name is Mihir Doshi. I am the director of Mario Industries Private Limited. So we are engaged in the business of imports and manufacturing of all kinds of adhesive tapes, glue sticks, glue guns, hot melt adhesives since 1991. And all the products that we sell are sold under the brand name of Mario, which is established since 1995. So the main policy or the belief of our company is that we sell all quality-oriented products only. Which are highly scrutinized and verified by our quality experts. So yeah, these are all the products that you can see. We've taken part in some other shows related to the plastics industry and we've had a very good response. So this time we thought, let us try HIPLEX because we haven't had a good exposure in the South. So I'm hopefully looking for a good show.